car, first you think, oh, that's an remote. Yeah, it kind of is, So it's big remote, and if you downsize and you just scale it right down, the only thing with the remote on there right now is the windscreen. And then you put it down there with a powerful engine. Like that.
Brian works research and development, and every modern Land Rover, Ryan has done the body design and the fine finishing on the clay models, so Land Rovers through.
Well, we're going to get the bundles of our off-road crews out on course at the moment, so we've just been talking about and then off the line, Simon Careful as well. Well, there's three of the Careful family out there for you today. Now, Simon is an absolute ambassador for the sport. Zero cars quite often competes in it, but it's just absolutely to the core off-road. We've also got Mike and we've also got Phil out competing as well today. So you'll see a range of vehicles from the QC right the way through. We've got Joy, the Wildcat coming. We've also got the Canon there, Matt. So Ryan, Matt, Ryan's father, Chris. There's a infinity of off-roaders in there, isn't there?
They tend to run in families. Once one member of the family gets up, the rest say, well, why didn't we earlier?
So that, just go past there, that is the original Tornado from Dave Phillips. You don't know Dave Phillips? So yeah, Phil Kerfoot going out now in the Tornado. Going out in the Tornado. It's the original Dave Phillips Tornado. Dave Phillips, if you don't know, is an absolute mad professor. You can see him online. He's actually built himself an underground bunker for him. But this car's great. They've tinkered with it to try and get a little bit more out of it on the horsepower side, but it's a very usable car. You see the Can-Ams coming in. We see a lot of bars and things like that joining that.
Okay. अभी ज़्यादा अच्छा आएगा गाड़ियों का. That's a very nice Scooby, and you've got a bit of E36 compact. That's fast. That's a Ford Puma. Again, British car with a Rally engine, Rally setup. And you've got Peugeots and all sorts of cars coming across. That was too slow. Let's see what this Peugeot guy does. Turbo की क्या अमेजिंग आवाज़ आती है. That was too slow, but this guy a bit of a nutter. That's the most fastest one I've seen on the circuit. And you got it very, very fast, quick, off the lights, all-wheel drive, amazing car. accident. Yeah, they all slow down. So maybe an accident has happened on the back. That Scooby does sound amazing. That's a Mark II Cortina, which is again expensive, very highly valued car. Then you got this car, which I'm a car enthusiast and I don't know what car it is. I think it's an old school Mazda. Well, obviously upgraded engine and suspension parts. So yeah, they've stopped now, so I'm not sure what's going on. You can see the marshal with the red flag, so he's obviously stopped the cars. Definitely an accident. You see all the cars across me, they've all stopped. So hopefully in about a few minutes they should go back to normal rally circuit. For now, I will slow down. मैं थोड़ा सा आगे जाता हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ का जो फोटोग्राफर है उसके मैं बीच में आना चाह रहा हूँ. You might see me right behind me, so I'm trying not to interrupt with these photographers who are coming in the way because it just interrupts their picturization. Well, I think they started now, so let's have a look at this GTI course on. Puma is the loudest and the fastest by far. Sounds amazing. Then you've got the Mark II Cortina just went past here. Peugeot Model 6 Rally Edition. And you've got another Scooby here. But he has the skills to actually drive around the circuit, so they were all qualified professional drivers as a rally driver. This is fast. ये भी अच्छी वाली है. You can hear my voice, ये बहुत loud है, लेकिन मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि आवाज़ में ज़्यादा बोलूँ. गाड़ियाँ की बहुत loudness है. Land Rover Disco, highly modified with a V8 engine. Very fast. Then you have the Mark II Cortina, which is from Ford. And we have the Evo coming up right now. Nice, very smooth. ये आवाज़ क्या आ रही थी यार? Put a bigger turbo in the engine to make that pushing noise. I think he's broken down. That's why he stopped. Audi Quattro. That's crazy loud. It's popping and banging. Can you hear it? You can still hear it. That's Audi PI, he's Audi Quattro, and I think he's coming soon. It's around the corner. But you have this Alpha as well. I'm hoping he's going to come. Audi Quattro is the fastest Audi car here at this event, and it sounds tremendous. As here was in the end, terrorizes the whole circuit here. Yeah, that popping noise is coming from the Audi Quattro. It's going to come right now. Let's zoom in. Constantly popping and banging throughout the circuit, non-stop. Now it's going to be lively now, so people drive much faster and have to control the cars in a better way. So you got this guy as well, who's amazing. Look at the skills he has. Up next the battery car आएंगी. Maybe the Audi is coming right now again. Audi Quattro. Be out here. It's coming right now. What's the smile on my face? That's insane. Oh, crazy ass song. Sorry I have to say the swear word, but it's just next level. Beautiful cars, I mean, I think they've got the confidence to drive much faster. Because all the confidence आ गया, वो बाकी अच्छी चला रही गाड़ियाँ. इसको देखो, check him out. very cool skills. That was like an adrenaline rush for me, and it's just constantly loud and fun and driving fast and smooth. Mini coming. Okay, the Quattro is here. I cannot describe for words how intense this noise is. That's pretty cool skills. Wow. See how you're drifting on the side? Amazing. We've got a Ford Escort coming up. Wasn't the Escort's XR2 with a 3.5 V6 Jaguar engine inside? It is crazy fast. I cannot describe for words. Very smooth, not the fastest Mini, but he knows how to control it. Oh, we've got a Lancia Delta. That's the iconic Italian car.
have an appetite.